Alright guys, this is the R50 Pathfinder, my personal off-road edition. Got the Milestar Patagonias, 31 1050s. Got the winch bumper on there. Custom built, goes back and bolts to the frame. And I got OME suspension. Got the OME struts, OME heavy lift springs at the front to support the weight of the winch. Then also in the back I have OME as well. OME lift springs, and also the Sumosprings replace bump stops. And have a welded diff in the front. Lock in, lock out hubs. Anyway, that's what I got. Got the there's the broken handle here. And this is the recovery gear I roll with most of the time. This pretty much stays in here all the time, all year round. Got cable chains, regular chains, set of each. Yank them, recovery strap, not yank them, but stretchy rope, and all that good stuff. Anyway, that's it. Oh shit, yeah. Also, hey Jackson buddy, what's up dude? You ready to go off-road? Huh? You ready to go off-road? Also, I got a 4-way dash cam here. I want to integrate this screen into a radio later, but let's see, let me get the remote here. And 4-way dash cam, I got 2 in the front, got one up here as you can see in the windshield, got a 1080p on the front, got one here looking up at me, driver, which I can move around. It's got a microphone on it, and I still got to do the one here in the back. So anyway, that's it. Oh, stick shift, it's the only way to go in these things, goes anywhere. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, see ya.